Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about one of the MS Excel tool that is pivot tables. What are pivot tables? Pivot tables are one of the statistical tool that is available in MS Excel through which you can analyze the data. So I have the sample data for a company, a stationery company, uh, which has 7 columns in it, and first column is order date. So this data set is regarding the sales order, on which date the particular order was made, and what was the region, and who was the rep, sales rep, and what was the item that was ordered, units and unit cost and total amount. So we can easily analyze this whole data to know about different values. Like if you want to know which rep has the highest amount of sale, then we can analyze through pivot table. Then if you want to know about sales in different regions, then we can do that as well. So it is one of the very useful tool that MS Excel has for the analysis of the data. So let's start how to use the pivot table. So first we'll select the whole data, and then we'll go on insert tab and click on pivot table. Once we'll click on the pivot table, it will show a table range that is selected and where you want to add the pivot table. You can add the pivot table in the new worksheet or in the same worksheet that is in which the data is present. So we'll be selecting the new worksheet and click on OK. So our pivot table is created. Now next thing we'll do is we'll analyze the data. So first thing we can analyze is so these are the fields, different fields that are available. So we'll uh, take the region and put it in row labels. So it will show all the regions available in the table. So there are 3 regions available in the table, that is Central, East and West. Now, if we want to know how much sale was there in each region, we can drag the total column and put the uh, values, put it in the value uh, table, and then uh, we'll be able to see that central region has the highest sale, followed by east and then west. Uh, then if we want to know about which sales rep has the highest sell, then we can do that as well. So it will show the sales record of different sales rep. You can also insert slicer, which will act as a filter. Uh, Suppose if you want to filter on the basis of the region, then we can insert a slicer here. So you can click on the central region. So it will show the data about the central region sales. So in this, Andrew, Grew, Gill, Jardine, Kibble, and different sales rep data is displayed here who has made sales in central region. If we click on east, then it will show about east, then west. So we can use slicer to filter the values. Then next, if you want to sort the values, so you can sort on the basis of the amount. Uh, so it will sort the value. And next is we have, so I will remove this. We can also add the filter here. So if you want to add a filter here, then we'll drag this in the region and the filter is added here. So you can select multiple items and then you will be able to select if you want to see the west region sales, then you can see that there are two reps uh, who has done sales in west region. Another thing you can see is you can do is you can add values in the column labels. So we can see what is the amount of units sold by different sales rep uh, by column. Uh, I will put the column labels here, so we'll be able to know. So almost everyone has sold binder and desk wash uh, sold by only three sales rep. We can also uh, do conditional formatting on this. We can add color skills so that we can know which rep has done good and which rep is not doing good. So we can know like in binder item, binder category, sales rep, how this has done the lowest amount of sale, whereas Jardin has done highest amount of sale. So we have a report filter that we have added the region wise sales you can do. So you can add filters in the mm, pivot table, then you can add column labels, row labels, and values. Apart from this, you can also add tables, insert charts. So I'll show how you can add chart. So I'll add 2D chart here, which will show the values of the items sold by different sales rate. So currently we are seeing the value of the odd sale, and we can see if we want to see units, we can see the units also. I'll do conditional formatting here as well. So, so we can see that the least amount of, sorry, I have not added this. So this is all about short video on pivot tables. In future video, I'll be creating more detailed video on how to utilize pivot table for analyzing the data and what are different available in data set in pivot tables. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like, then please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.